everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're gonna go with this eyeliner Urban Decay for the lid, so we can get that darker eyeshadow. Just so you guys know, I have my eyebrows already done, so if you guys are interested how I get my eyebrows done, I do have an eyebrow tutorial video. We're just gonna spread the black on the eyelid. Then we're going to use a brush to blend the black, just to blend a little bit on the edge. Today we're going to go with Karity Smoke palette, and I'm going to use a very dark black eyeshadow, and I'm going to top it right on top of the dark eyeliner that we just did earlier. We are gonna go back to the smoke palette and use that brown shade just to blend it out the edge on the top. After that, we're gonna use a clean brush to blend some more on the top. We're gonna go back to the same palette and we're gonna go with a neutral shade for the brow bones. I'm going to go with a Buxon black eyeliner to tightline my waterline. I'm gonna go with a Kat Von D black eyeliner. We're gonna go with any black eyeshadow just to smoke up the bottom line. Tart eyelashes. These are Girl Boss. So for primer, I'm going to go with a L'Oreal Paris Magic Lumi Light Infusing Primer. Now we're gonna go with a Too Faced Born This Way foundations in warm beige. Going to blend it with a beauty blender. Real Technique beauty blenders are my favorite. Like, I have multiple of these beauty blenders in my drawer. So today we're going to do some contouring, and I'm going to use the Wet n Wild contour stick. And we're going to blend the contour with a beauty blender again. I'm going to use a clean brush for my nose, so I'll be pretty precise. For under eye concealer, it's going to be Too Faced Born This Way concealer. I'm gonna go Airspun powder to set my under eye and bake my face. While we wait for the baking set, we're gonna go over a Too Faced bronzer. I'm going to use the same Airspun powder just to bake my under chin on the side of my chin so I can have that nice bronzer. So for blush, we're gonna go with a Tart in the shade Party. Oh, our blush. I'm gonna go with highlighter. This is a Too Faced highlighter in Love Light, blended by the light. We're gonna go with lipstick. This one's by NYX. It's a black lipstick. This one is called Chamboard. For setting spray, we're gonna go with Milani Make It Dewy Setting Spray, 16-hour wear. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys like it. If you like it, just make sure you subscribe down below and share. Thank you. Love ya. I will see you guys in the next video. If you guys are interested and want to see some more, you guys can check out my other videos if you haven't seen it yet.